He approaches. Look at the boy. Look at him go. Oh, he's so good. Look at him go. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Hello, the boy. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's coming. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He's here. It's the boy. Oh, he's so cute. He's cleaning. He's kind of stuck, but like he's no, oh shit! It's the boy. He went under the bed. Ooh. I hear the boy. I hear him. Where's the boy? There's the boy. No, don't eat that. No, you. It's the boy. Look at him. Oh, no, you can't have that. He's having a temper tantrum because I told him he couldn't eat my shoe, and now he's trying to eat the suitcase. You can't have it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, you can't eat that. You can't. No. No. Are you done? Are you done? No. No. Okay. Goodbye, the boy. Goodbye, boy. Thank you.